Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're a Gmail user, there's some good news ahead. Starting this month and slowly getting more and more enforced, Gmail will actually start really going down on spam emails because it will change and modify some of the rules to make it stricter as who can send bulk emails. So it is a problem, everybody knows, and not all email providers are equal. For example, Outlook or Hotmail seems to be more affected by spam than others. And even Gmail, for a while, there's always changes coming up to the way emails are sent, because the main tracking of spam often has to do with the text, knowing what's in the text, and then computers are looking at this looks like some spam. I'm going to block, or I'm going to remove this or send to the spam folder. But the problem is a lot of the email senders in the spams have over the years changed from text to pictures. So because the email servers don't see the pictures as text, they don't see what's written in them and can't really, flag them as spam or not. So what the Gmail servers are going to do is ask for authentication for anyone or any company that sends more than 5,000 messages daily with a Gmail account. So this means you will have to have your system authenticated for the sending of a lot of emails. So this is good news, because one of the biggest problems we had with spam is that you can be tagged as spam when in reality you're just, for example, an online store sending catalogs to your viewers or your users. And of course, that could mean you can be sending more than 10, 20, 50, 100,000 catalogs through email. And unfortunately, often it went to the spam folders. So now organizations, companies, stores will have the ability to authenticate their domains and authenticate their accounts so that they can send and be going through without being blocked by the spam filters. The guideline also requires anybody that sends bulk emails to have a unsubscribe option, which is a one-click option. No 60 million questions asked while you're leaving. One click, you unsubscribed, it's done. Has to be quick. So the new filters, the new rejection will also be looking at senders that, first of all, do not meet the requirements because they're not authenticated, but also there will be other types of compliance, including the way emails are sent, and they will enforce this during the year. More and more of the emails will be blocked. And just to give you an idea, Google claims that there are 15 billion unwanted emails daily that are blocked by Gmail servers. 15 billion a day. Imagine, that's an enormous amount of emails that are blocked. And that accounts for the majority of what emails are. Tells you also that these guys are really active. And eventually they will close all loopholes that are exploited by attackers because they say it's a threat to everyone. And for security reasons, we need to remove as much of these as possible. We say it all the time, the number one security hazard where most of the malware, most of the bad stuff arrives is through emails. So these new enforcements hopefully will help reduce people maybe getting phishing attempts or losing money because they thought an email was real. And that's also another thing. Any email that will imitate known organizations will be automatically blocked. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.